This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power-adjustable driver pedals, a voice-activated entertainment system, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, and a trailer brake controller. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.